Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to discuss one of the problem on viscosity. That is problem on viscosity. Second one, the problem is that a plate having an area of 0.6 meter square is sliding down the inclined plane at 30 degree to the horizontal with a velocity of 0.36 meter per second. There is a cushion of fluid 1.8 millimeter thick between the plane and the plate. Find the viscosity of the fluid if the weight of the plate is 280 Newton. Then here we'll take that is whatever the plane and the plate is there. This is the figure of that one. Here this is the plane on which the plate is sliding, and this is the plate which is having the weight of 280 Newton and which is moving with a velocity of 0.36 meter per second. Between this plate and the plane there is a fluid having the thickness of the 1.8 mm. Okay, and its viscosity we need to find out, and that is given 1.8 mm here. And this whatever the plane is there, it is inclined at an 30 degree with the horizontal. Therefore, the whatever the weight is there, it is having the two components. One is component right angle to the plane, that is right angle to the plane, and along the plane the another component. Okay, with these given data, that's the area of the plate is equal to 0.6 meter square, and weight of the plate W is given 280 Newton, and velocity of the plate U equal to 0.36 meter per second. Thickness of film, that is given thickness T, and that is equal to dy the thickness of the fluid. It is 1.8 mm and 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. The first to find the viscosity of the fluid mu, the component of weight along the plate, the component of the whatever the weight is there, that we need to find out. For that, there is a this sketch is taken. Here the weight is acting downwards. W is equal to 280 Newton, and it has two components. One is right angle to that plate. Okay, that is W sine theta. This is right angles to the plate one component. Another one component which is along the plate. Okay, along the plate what we have shown, that component is here, and that is the W sine theta. Okay, that is W sine theta, that is taken here. That is weight component along the plate W sine theta, and theta angle is given. Okay, this angle is 30 degree. Here also we are going to get the 30 degree for that. Okay, and by taking that one here, theta is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. So W already given, that is a 280 Newton. 280 sine 30 will gives the 140 Newton. Okay, then therefore shear force on the bottom surface of the plate F equal to 140, and shear stress. Okay, there the shear force. Okay, the shear force what is acting on this plate, that will be act at the bottom of the plate also, and that is acting the shear force on the fluid also. That shear force at the bottom of the plate which is acting on the fluid, and that is what component we got here, and from that we can find out the shear stress. The shear stress is given by the force per area. The force what is acting, the shear force, and area of that plate. Okay, which the fluid having the coming contact. And this 140 by 0.6 is 233.33 Newton per meter square. The shear stress we got. Next, moving to the next point, that velocity, whatever the change in velocity is there, that is u minus of 0, because they use the velocity 0.36, it is given initial velocity is 0. By taking that one, the velocity 0.36 meter per second we have taken. Dy already it is given t equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Substituting in the Newton's law of viscosity, okay, equation, that is tau is equal to mu into uh, du by dy. Okay, this equation whatever is there, that tau is equal to mu into du by dy. Okay, therefore that by that one we can substitute the tau value 233.33. 233.33 is the tau value, and mu Okay, the viscosity we need to find out. This is du, the change in velocity, and this is dy, that is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 3. And this equation, if you simplify for the mu, okay, this goes to this multiplication to 33.33, 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 3, and this 0.36 goes in the denominator. And after the calculation, we got here 1.166 Newton second per meter square. And in terms of points, if you express multiplication with the 10, then that will give the 11.66 points. This is the uh, viscosity what we need to find out for the fluid which is having the cushion between the plate and the plane. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe and comment.